Set in beautiful grounds stands the 14th century church of St Matthew's, Morley in Derbyshire. Situated just over 5 miles from the city centre of Derby, just off the A608, St Matthew's presence is often hard to spot for those passing by. Negotiating the tight turn into the driveway can be tricky if you're coming from the south. The approach from the A608 is much easier, with the turning on the left just before the road narrows. Car parking is generally available for a few cars. Bus services to Heanor regularly stop at the top of Church Lane, and a small pavement leads down the lane to the church, just a few minutes walk away. Alternatively, if you're coming on foot, there are many waymarked routes that enter the churchyard from across the open fields. Entry to the churchyard is through a gate. All the paths are on a level and suitable for wheelchairs. An accessible toilet is often open at the end of the path that runs along the west end of the church. Our church is open regularly. Please check our website for details. Step in through the porch and you will find a real treasure house. Although not mentioned in the Domesday Book in 1086, evidence remains of an older church in its rounded Norman arches. The building you see today was much influenced by one family, beginning in the 14th century with Ralph and Goditha Statham, who between them added the North Chapel aisle and the tower. Here you really get a sense of the medieval period. Around the church there is an extraordinary array of tombs, plaques and brasses which remember 12 generations of the Stathams and their descendants the Sacheverells, spanning the 14th to the 18th centuries. There are 1,200 medieval tiles with over 70 different designs. But perhaps the greatest treasures of all are the medieval stained glass windows. The windows in the south aisle and vestry are the oldest in the church, having been added in the 1470s. In the north aisle are some of the finest examples in the country of medieval craftsmanship and vibrant storytelling. They were brought here following the dissolution of the monasteries at nearby Dale Abbey. The best preserved are the wonderful retelling of the legend of Sir Robert of Knaresborough and the legend of the Holy Cross. We have a range of ways in which you can find out more about this fascinating church. Our paddleboards tour the main features of interest. The browsing books provide a range of interesting articles. A digital touchscreen offers fascinating videos, images you can zoom into, puzzles, games, and much more. Younger visitors might like to explore the church with our chest of treasures. We have an updated guidebook as a souvenir of your visit. Whether it's the medieval glass, the tomb brasses, war memorials, or time to just sit and be still, there is much here to discover and enjoy. St Matthew's is an active worshipping community. Everyone is welcome to attend one of our services. A hearing loop enables everyone to access the service. Timings could be found in the entrance porch or online, and also details of our vicar and church wardens who care for this special place. When you leave, we hope you take away a sense of the long history and the continuity of faithful service and community here. You are always welcome.